Haya.
It's not everybody go to school.
Okay. School is not free.
Not free. You must pay the money first, the children go to school.
Okay.
But I have some people, and you have maybe 10 children, we stay the house, no go to school. So, but sometime we have some friends like you, and you come to see the village. We just support maybe 1 children or 2 children. That's we do.
Okay.
South India Stalin, I want to say thank you very much. I have my friend here. We come from in your country because in your country free education, free bus, free money, so free food. So I want to say thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.